Hi, I just wanted to say really appreciative of Home Evolution and the work they did on my roof. Top-notch crew, everybody was friendly, efficient, from start to finish, from the quote to the finish. Everybody handled the job professionally. Workers were here on time, kept the site clean. And what I really appreciated is when I had some unforeseen issues with leaks or rotten decking, they came up with some really good solutions to just ensure that I'm not going to have any problems going forward. So just really happy, great, efficient team, and would recommend it.